Well, I got my Anycubic Kobra Plus set up and running. I had to replace the hot end, which actually wasn't too bad. I think it was like $25 direct from Anycubic itself. And basically, this printer is it's a customer return. A guy on eBay had a bunch of these, and there was no guarantee that the printer was going to actually work right out of the box. But what I liked about it was that it came with all the original packing material, and the printer itself looks pretty darn new. I mean, I couldn't really see, there was no scratches or dings or anything like that. The only thing that was a little bit different about versus a brand new one is that all the zip ties that they normally put on everything were removed on this one. So you could definitely tell that somebody had set this thing up at one point and tried to use it, and obviously with the hot end being bad, it didn't work, and instead of troubleshooting the situation and replacing that, they probably just gave up and returned it. And then this guy on eBay probably picked up a bunch of these. He turned it around for $190, and even with the fact I had to go buy this hot end for it, that's still a pretty decent price. I mean, it's like just barely over about $215, yeah. And as you can see, it's working. This is my first test print. This is the the famous owl that they include with it, and I'm seeing a little bit of stringing, so I might need to adjust some of the different settings. That I don't really understand 3D printing that well myself at the present time. I'm going to have to learn, I guess. But anyway, it seems like it's going to work, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I guess that will do it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.